Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2019 Chev 1500 Trail Boss, custom Trail Boss. It has a Z71 package on it, and it comes with the 5.3 liter engine. It has the halogen headlights that are automatic. It has 18-inch black painted rims. Truck comes with running boards installed. It does have command start. It also comes with a tonneau cover and the easy lift tailgate. And it does have a box liner. Comes with the backup camera and the trailer camera as well. I just want to go down the side here and just show you that this vehicle is practically new. Everything you need, it's all ready to go. So one thing with this Trail Boss that makes it unique is it comes with a 2-inch factory lift, and it comes with the Duratrack tires. So it's ready for off-road. It also, on the key fob here, it does have a release that you can lower the tailgate. Nice little feature. And it also is equipped with command start. I want to show you some features on the door here before I jump inside. It does have the power windows, power adjust mirrors, the auto driver window down. It does have the trailering package on it. And you have auto 4-wheel drive and auto headlights, as I mentioned outside. The parking brake on this one is push button, so that's a nice little feature on that. So I'll just jump in now and show you the rest of the features and the condition of the interior. So I'm inside this 2019 Custom Trail Boss, and I just want to go over a few of the features of the interior. First off, I want to mention that this truck is like new, and the interior is almost close to mint. So, but on to the features. So over here we have our cruise control buttons, and then moving over here we have our touchscreen radio. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also comes with this trailer light app as well, which you can cycle through your trailer lights if you're by yourself and check your lights for before you head out on the road. Nice little feature there. Of course, it has Bluetooth. And down here we have your climate control area with AC. We have hill descent assist, and this is your tailgate release, hazards, and then your StabiliTrak traction control. It does have the integrated trailer brake controls here, and then of course a USB and a 12-volt plug-in. I'm going to jump in the back seat and just show you the overall condition, but this truck is very close to mint. So I'm in the back seat of this 2019 Chev Custom Trail Boss, and as you can see, the overall condition is close to mint. I wanted to point out that throughout the truck, it does have the WeatherTech style matting, front and back. And also, I'll just flip these seats down. It is a double cab, but lots of room back here for passengers. Overall, in close to mint condition. So there you have it, the 2019 Chev Custom Trail Boss. Another thing I wanted to point out quickly before I close is it does have paint protection on the hood. But overall, this vehicle is in close to mint condition, and the kilometers are just under 24,000 kilometers, and we got it priced right at $44,995. If you'd like to come check this vehicle out, give me a call at 403-845-3328.